Okay, simple tutorial here to start the year off. First thing we need to do is we need to go File, Open, and we need to open the pictures that we shot yesterday. I already have them open. You could see all 4 of mine. There they are. I'm going to go to single view again. First thing we need to do is use our crop tool, and we're going to set the crop tool up to 7 by 5 at 100 resolution. And then we're going to crop using the rule of thirds. So put our most interesting point on one of those intersections, our subject matter on one of those intersections. Once we get it lined up the way we want, we press enter on the keyboard. Control++ will zoom in. The first tool we want to use is levels. So we find levels at the bottom of our layer menu here. For this project we can use auto levels. So just hit auto levels. You can X this out. Now you'll notice we have 2 layers. So in order to save this we have to right click to flatten, or you can go layer flatten, and that will turn our image into a single layer document. Therefore we can go File, Save As, and save it as a JPEG, not a PSD. So this very first one is going to be called your last name first initial underscore 5, and we are going to save it in the folder that is number 5 outside levels right there. Click Save. Make sure you have a JPEG. Click OK. That one's done. The next one we're going to do the same thing. So our crop tool is already adjusted, so we're going to pick the most interesting point. We're going to put it on one of our intersecting lines. Press enter. We've cropped it successfully. Control-0 will zoom you out. Now for this one we're going to change it to not just levels. We are going to adjust the levels. That's the very first thing. Auto adjust. Close it. But we're also going to add black and white to this one. So we're going to go to adjustment black and white. And you can X that out. Now you'll notice we have 3 layers. We have to flatten this image. And we're going to go File, Save As, and we're going to call this one last name first initial underscore 6. And we're going to save it in the assignment 6 folder. Click OK. Close that one. Next one, you guessed it, we're going to crop again. Put our subject matter right on one of those intersecting points. Press enter. Control-0 zooms us out. We're going to adjust levels. Auto. We're also going to adjust hue and saturation on this one. So hue and saturation is kind of interesting. You get a slider up here. You can change the color of your image. When you're done you can exit out. Again, we have 3 layers, so we have to go layer, flatten image, and then we're going to go File, Save As. We're going to name this one your last name underscore I believe it's number 7. Yes, number 7, hue and saturation. Okay. And finally the last one, we're going to crop it one more time using the rule of thirds. Hit enter, adjust our levels, and we're going to take this a step further now. We're going to invert this image. So we're going to go to invert. It has a really strange effect. It's just fine. We have to flatten, and we have to save as. And we're going to save this one as last name first initial underscore number 8, and that goes in the number 8 folder. And that's it.